Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here to do the two drawings for the Earth Day giveaway, the non-hidden giveaway, and I will put the video link for that video down below in the description in case you don't remember. But I had done a hidden giveaway, but I couldn't do it because I messed something up. So anyway, this is for the Auburn Lane, all this stuff that I showed in that other video. And I said I would pick one winner for that plus two cards of their choice out of these. Let me move this cord out of the way from my camera. And then a second winner will win two other cards. So when I tell you who the winner is, I'm going to show you on my phone. Um, Please let me know, send me an email with your address, and my email will be at the top of the description box as well. And to the first winner, I need your address and also let me know which two cards you want. So in order, it's card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the rain boots one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I know you can't see them really well, but you've probably seen them in the videos if you're entering this giveaway. All right, so let me do the drawings. I've done the drawings, but I have it on my phone. And then at the end, I want to talk about subscribers because I'm going to have to ask the first winner to do something for me. Okay, I used a YouTube random comment picker. This is the video for the drawing, the one that had the comments. And all I asked is that you use the words Auburn Lane in your comment if you wanted to be entered. And out of that, we got, there's the Auburn Lane keyword filter. And out of that, we got 5 comments. Now, I also went online and double checked, and there were more than 5 comments, but 2 people were just supporting and not wanting to be entered. Okay, I think we were here. I had to interrupt. So it loaded 5 comments. Yes, we were here. And I checked that. So then I hit pick a winner. And Susan T. dot 1620, it selected you. Now, I cannot find you in my visible subscribers list. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Um, Susan T, it picked you, okay, but I cannot find you in my visible subscribers list. Why won't this focus? There we go. So what I need you to do is email me your address, and I'll have my email in the description down below. But also, could you please send me a screen print showing that you are visibly subscribed that you are subscribed to me. Just go to my channel and it should show that you're a subscriber, and take a screen print and email that to me because I couldn't find you. Now I'm going to talk about subscribers in a minute after I share the second winner with you. And I'll tell you how I checked them. Just so you know, I did check, okay? So Susan T, you get to pick 2 cards of your choice, and you'll get the Auburn Lane. But I need proof that you are a subscriber because that was one of my requirements, and I can't find you on the list that I spent an hour or 2, closer to 2, going through. All right. Um, so the second winner, see, it only has 4 comments now because I already picked a winner. So I hit pick a winner again. And my second winner, which is just for the 2 cards, is Penny's Crafty Creations. And Penny, I did find you as a visible subscriber as of February 25th of this year. I know you were a new subscriber because I was new to your channel too. and that's fine. Thank you very much. Would you please pick 4 cards in the order that you prefer them? Again, 1 through 5, 6 through 10, 11 through 15. Pick 4 cards. And the reason I'm having you pick 4 is because if Susan picks 2 of the ones that you want, then I can give you the other 2. Okay? So pick 4, let me know, and then I'll give you whichever one she doesn't pick, or your first 2 priorities if she doesn't pick them at all. So now I want to talk about how I check subscribers. So I do this on my laptop because I just don't trust, I don't know how to do it on my iPhone. And some things don't show up on the iPhone, and YouTube even says that in their ruly things. So in on my dashboard, there's a recent subscribers box. And if I click on see all under that, it gives me a list of subscribers and I can select, like here I had last 90 days. There's Penny's Crafty Creations, by the way, and Ms. JOO had commented too, but she didn't use Auburn Lane. And up here it says only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. Learn more, okay? Now, I also, oops, Fran is one who entered and she had been subscribed since August 31, 2019. So thank you, Fran. I'm sorry you didn't win this time. So I switched it to lifetime and I checked again, and you can see the latest subscriber was April 30th, 2024. And I then went back and did it um, to show you that the first subscriber I ever had was June 6, 2016. I don't know how that happened because the first video I ever made was, I wrote that down somewhere, January 22, 2017. So I am not sure um, how they subscribed unless I was starting to watch more YouTube and subscribing to people and then they subscribed back. And I suspect that is what happened there. But anyway, this is like a bazillion pages because they only show 10 subscribers per page, and I have 3,400 some odd subscribers. Now, not all of them are visible, but let's say I have 1,000 visible. Yeah, I don't know. It took me a while. And I thought, well, maybe I missed the name. So then I went back through, and you know how this is a printout of the comments under the video. See how there's the little icons. Then I went looking for the icons for the ones I couldn't find. I still could not find Judy Harmon, RF-NQ3VI, and Susan T. I could not find you in my visible subscriber list. So I thought, well, maybe you don't know how to be visible. So I looked that up. Now I have to show you this on my phone. So I went to how to change your privacy settings is where it is. And this only shows part of it. So here's the bottom part of it. Make your channel subscriptions public or private. Sign in to YouTube on a computer. In the top right, click your profile picture, but you have to be in YouTube and not just Google or something. Click your profile picture or letter or whatever, and click settings. I'll show you that on the next screen. In the left menu, select privacy. It'll be on the left-hand side of your screen. Turn on or off, keep all my subscriptions private. Okay, I'm going to go to the next page. This is showing you, this is on my right. I clicked on my picture, and this is what you see. So down here is settings. See, this comes up on, it's on the right hand side. There's my icon. Click settings. Then you get this, and over here is where you see privacy. See how you appear and blah, 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 okay? So your channel, and then, let's see where it is. Okay, manage what you share under privacy, manage what you share on YouTube, subscriptions, and I have it off because the word is keep all my subscriptions private. If you turn that on, nobody can see your subscriptions. Okay, it says your subscriptions won't be visible to others unless you use features that I can't make, could make your subscription visible or manage your subscriptions here. And that takes you back to manage your subscriptions. So I have that shut off so all my subscribers who I subscribe to are visible. Now, it used to be I could also go to your channel and I don't know if you have X number of subscribers, it'll show up, but it used to be all your subscribers would show at the bottom of your channel, your homepage. I don't see that anymore, so I can't check it that way. So I tried my best, guys, to find if you were a visible subscriber, but that's how you do it. So check your settings and also just make sure. I've been hearing some people talk, even though YouTube says this is not true. I read that too, that some people have been talking about YouTube. If you subscribe but you don't watch videos right away, they unsubscribe you. They claim that's not true. They do claim that they will unsubscribe spammers from your channel. So I don't know. But that's where we are. We have Susan T. If you send me evidence that you're a subscriber, you are winner one. And Penny's Crafty Creations, you are a winner two. And Susan, if you don't do that within, let's see, by the end of this weekend, which is, where are we here? Today's the 4th. So by the end of Sunday, the 5th, if you don't send me an email and evidence, then Penny will become winner one and also get the Auburn stuff, and then I'll pick another winner two for the other two cards. Okay, so that's where it is right now, and what a nightmare. I'll never ask again, but please subscribe to my channel if you're not. I'm trying. I'm trying, guys. I've been trying for a long while, but yeah, my first video was January 22nd, 2017, and it was sharing, and somebody watched that the other day, so thank you for that. It was sharing a pocket letter that Misty, I don't remember her channel name. Anyway, I haven't seen her making videos lately, but I think I just saw her resubscribe to me or something. Anyway, yeah, someone named Misty sent me way back and we did a swap. And she did a video of the one I sent her too, but I don't know if it's still out on her channel. I'll have to go check because she hadn't done videos for quite a while. All right, guys, that's all. I hope you have a fabulous Saturday. I am not going to be around much today after I get this uploaded. And Sunday, I'm going to try and relax a bit. I have some crafting I want to do too, but I have stuff around the house. It's been a busy week, not just crafting, stuff around the house, and appointments outside the house and things like that. So hoping to get a little downtime. Well, I'll have a fun day today, hopefully. Although it is drizzling. Yes, we're going to be walking around a flower garden, a beautiful former DuPont estate gardens area, and they have an indoor conservatory and things like that to see too in the rain. Anyway, take care. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.